NMDC Limited is taking a major step forward in upgrading its employee housing at Donimalai. As part of its aggressive roadmap to hit a 100 million tons per annum production capacity, India's largest iron ore producer is investing heavily in its workforce's quality of life. During a recent site visit by senior management, officials closely reviewed the progress of the upcoming residential tower project. Narendra Modi extended warm birthday greetings to the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, today. The message was shared through an official statement posted by the PM's office and further amplified via social media platform X, where the Prime Minister acknowledged the President's long-standing contribution to national development and her commitment to the welfare of marginalized communities. Shri Pradeep Kumar Das, Chairman and Managing Director, Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, today participated in a panel discussion on PSU Leaders' Vision, Drafting India's Growth Story Towards 2047 at the 9th National PSU Summit held in New Delhi. As part of its CSR commitment, REC PDCL, the wholly owned subsidiary of REC Limited, has extended support of 1.25 crore rupees to the district administration of Kargil, Ladakh to strengthen education, healthcare and drinking water infrastructure, benefiting nearly 1.95 lakh residents of the district. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is honored to share that Kochi Refinery has received the prestigious Leadership in Future Ready Refining Award at the Downstream India Excellence Awards 2026 held during the Global Refining and Petrochemicals Congress 2026. Public Enterprises Selection Board has officially recommended Ms. Kavita Rakesh Sathvi for the position of Director Finance at Konkan Railway Corporation Limited, a Schedule A Central Public Sector enterprise. The decision was finalized during a high-level selection meeting held on Saturday morning, June 20, 2026. Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, India's construction arm of the Ministry of Railways, has received a letter of award of contract from NMDC Limited for setting up of buffer stockpiles and blending yard of 10 million tons per annum handling capacity at Vizag, Andhra Pradesh. GAIL India Limited has reached a practical milestone in its mission to expand clean energy infrastructure, successfully rolling out 201 active commercial pipe natural gas connections as of June 11, 2026. The achievement highlights a clear shift in how local commercial establishments look at their power needs, with more businesses moving away from traditional fuels in favor of stable piped natural gas. In the heavy industry sector, balancing high-capacity extraction with ecological preservation is a massive operational challenge. NMDC Limited, India's largest iron ore producer, is actively tackling this by scaling up its land restoration and community development programs alongside its core mining activities. State-owned power giant NTPC Limited has issued an open tender for a major logistics contract at its North Karanpura Super Thermal Power Project. The company is looking for a reliable domestic contractor to handle road transportation, loading and unloading operations to secure a steady fuel supply for the plant.